Today we'll start with practice set 4.1. Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicines, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? The first sum is very simple. Orally also you can tell me the answer. GST is 12%. So CGST is half of GST. And SGST is also half of GST. So 12% means it will be 12%, half of 12% will be 6%. So the rate of CGST will be 6% and the rate of SGST will also be 6%. So we will write what is given to us, GST rate is given to us. The rate of GST is equal to 12%. So we have to find CGST rate. So CGST rate is equal to GST rate upon 2, which is equal to 12 upon 2, which is equal to 6%. Same way SGST rate is equal to GST rate. Same answer it is, because both are half of GST, is equal to, but you will have to write it in exam, 12% upon 2, which is equal to 6%. This way you can solve the first sum, which is very, very easy. See the second sum. On certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? Now you already know that GST and SGST, both the rates will be equal. If you know the rate of one, if you know the rate of CGST, you will be able to write the rate of SGST. Now here CGST is 9%. Then what will be SGST? Both are equal. So SGST will also be 9. And what is the rate of GST? GST means rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. That is 9% plus 9%, which will be what? 18%. This way you have to solve. It will be a 1 mark question in exam. So we will start with rate of CGST is given to us 9%. So rate of CGST is equal to 9%. This is given to us. So according to the knowledge, what knowledge we have? That rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. This we know. But what is CGST rate? 9%. So we will write here 9%. So what we will get? Rate of SGST. Like this you can solve. CGST, this is given to us. Okay. And this is the knowledge which we have, that CGST rate and SGST rate both are equal. CGST rate is 9%. So SGST rate is also 9%. But they have asked you to find SGST. Now we have got SGST rate. Now we have to find GST rate. So GST rate will be what? So we will write like this. GST rate is equal to CGST rate plus SGST rate. Okay, which is equal to CGST is 9%. This is also 9%, which is equal to 18%. So GST rate is 18%. Very simple example. The first two examples were.